recording I have started, okay? Are you able to hear me? I have started the recording.
Yes.
Yes. Now we were doing the Anvaya Rachana. Before going into it, let us go through the Kim Shabda Rupam, because basically in Anvaya Rachana, rule number 1 is Akanksha Paddhati. That is, you know the answer, you ask the right question so that you know the grammar position of that particular word. For example, if I say the word Ramaha Patam Patati or Ramaha Annam Kadati, if I say that, you know that Akanksha Rupam, what is the question? So first what you will be checking up, you said we will have to take the Kriya Padam. Like that we were going through. So what are the questions to be asked? It is in the Kim Shabdam plus Saptakakara. The other day we saw. Either the Saptakakara Sabda Rupam you are going to use or Kim Shabda Rupam. So can one of you tell me Kim Shabda, that is Makaranta Pullinga Kim Shabda Rupam? Can I ask anyone? Yes, madam. Swapna ji, can you tell me?
Kim ke kani? Kim ke kani?
No, I
Is
told
that what you want?
Pullinga.
Oh, pullinga. Okay. Kaha kauke, kam
Mm.
kaukan,
Mm.
kena kabhyam kaihi,
Mm.
kasmai kabhyam kebhyah,
Mm.
tasmat kabhyam kebhyah,
Mm.
kasya kayoho kesham,
Mm.
kasmin kayoho keshu.
Correct. Strilinga Rupam. Somebody else. Umaji. Kim Shabdam. Makaranta Strilinga Kim Shabdaru.
Satetaha.
No.
No.
Kim Kakaram. Kakara Sabdam will come. No. Kim Shabdam.
के काहा.
Correct.
काम के काहा. कया काभ्याम काभिः. कस्यै काभ्याम काभ्यः. कयाः काभ्याम काभ्यः. कयाः कयोः कासाम.
No, it is kasyaha, no? Kasyaha kabhyam.
कस्याः कयोः कासाम. कस्याम कयोः कासु.
Can you repeat once more, madam?
का के काहा. काम के काहा. कया काभ्याम काभिः. कस्यै काभ्याम काभ्यः. कयाः कस्याः काभ्याम काभ्यः. कस्याः कयोः कासाम. कस्याम कयोः कासु.
This is very important. And then anyone, one more. Chitra ji, can you tell me the Kim Shabda Rupam Napumsakalingam? Kim ke kani? Chitra is, tell me, Chitra.
Kim ke kane, Kim ke kane, kena kabhyam kaihi, kasmai kabhyam kebhyah, kasmat kabhyam kebhyah, kasya kayoho kesham, kasmin kayoho keshu.
Very good. So basically, these are the questions we are going to use to arrive at the Anvaya Rachana. Apart from this, Saptakakaram we saw. Can somebody repeat it? Saptakakaram. Chitra, can you tell me? Anybody who is knowing that, you can tell.
Kim kutra kadi kada, Kim kutra kati kada, kimartam, katam.
Katam. Straight away you went to Katam. That's what is hearing is quite different now. 7 हो गया? See.
Kim kutra kati kada,
And kada for the 7th vibhakti. Then.
Kim kutra kati kada kutaha, katam kimartam.
Katam kimartam. Very good. Then only that the raham comes into the picture. That is what I wanted. Okay, thank you. And now we will go back to the topic which I was sharing the other day. Now the other day we saw something about Sri Krishna's, no? Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanora Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. That slokam we did Anvaya Rachana. Do you all remember that? Now, am I right?
Yes.
Are you able to hear me? Okay. Now, this slokam we are going to do it one by one. The other day, how we did it, the same way you can read it, find out what is the Kriya Padam in this one, and Akanksha Paddhati, using Akanksha Paddhati, that is question and answer. You rewrite it in a first Prathama Vibhakti, then Dutiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, whatever is there in this line, whatever comes in that same order, you have to write it. Then after doing the Padachedam, Pratipada Artham, you arrive at it. After arriving at Artham, do the normal Anvayam. Rewrite it in the prose form and then give the Bhavartham. That is, as per the Pratipada Artham, just you combine them together and arrive at the Bhavartham. And then finally, if there is any grammar, Visleshanam is there, like the here Sandhi is there, here say this is a Samastapadam, this is the reason why this has come like that. Like that, any grammar is there, you have to tell it. Finally, you give the Tatparyam, what you understood from that poem. This is what we learnt in the last week. I hope everybody remembers that. Now this one, can somebody start? Swapnaji, can you read it?
यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य मुखे प्रविशन्ति मृगाः.
Okay. Now by looking at,
Kriyapadam here.
Kriya Padam. Tell me.
First line it is siddhyanti, second line it is pravishanti.
Very good. First line, can you, Padachedam kuru.
Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi na
Okay.
suptasya simhasya mukhe pravishanti mrigaha. That's it. Everything is. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Padachedam, then if there is any Sandhi, any other this thing is there, you have to tell. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani. Whatever you said, it is there. Now, what is the second step after Padachedam?
Samanya arthama.
Pradipada Artham. Each Padam, what is the
Pratipadam. Oh.
Artham you got to do?
Oh. So each padam what?
Each one. For example, Udyamena, it is there. So, Sandhi, are you all aware of Sandhi? Sandhi, we have to take the class, because if you are going to do the Padachedam and arrive at the Pratipada Artham, Sandhi is must. Sandhi is nothing but, for example, Yadi plus Api. Yadi, one word is there, Api is there. And you want to tell it very fast. Like me, if you are going to talk very slowly, you can say Yadi, Api, like that you can continue. But you are a person who wants to talk, put them together. That is known as Sannihiti. So you want to put them, Samhita we call it. Samhita means putting two words, two varnas, not words, sorry. Two varnas. Varnas mean two letters together. In such a way, Adyanta Samipam, very close you want to put it. When you put, sometimes what happens, the varnas undergo a change. Varna vikaram happens. That is known as Sandhi. Just remember this. Now if I said Yadi plus Api, I will say Yadi Api, Yadi Api, Yadi Api, Yadi Api, Yadi Api, Yadi Api, it will become. So Yadi Api will become the word which I want to say with Samhita. Samhita means Adyanta close, very close. I am putting the varnas, that is the each alphabet. So Yadi la E, Api la A, these two I want to put them very, very close. In such a way, the time taken to pronounce them together is less than one matra. That is the rule. If it is half a matra and less, you call it as a Samhita. Samhita means extremely close. When there is a Samhita, there is a possibility that the varnas will undergo a change. In this case, in Yadyapi, when I say it becomes Yadyapi, Yat plus Ya, Yakaram. In the place of A, we use Ya. So, and in the place of E is gone. Ya, Id, E is gone. In the place of E, Ya comes. And P is already there. So, Yat, Yapi, you are telling. So, Ikaram is gone, and in its place, something else, Yakaram has come and sit here. If you all know Maheshwara Sutrani, you must be knowing what is ikarasya, that name, how do ikaha, like that we used to tell, and yavarala we used to call it as yan. So in the place of ikaha, yan has come and sitting. Here this adesham means it is like a shatruvat, it is like an enemy. It killed E, and in that place the yakaram came and sat. So like this happens. So what has happened actually? Varna vikaram. Vikaram is gone, and in that place something else has come and sat, and you are talking about. This is known as one sandhi, that is, it is called yan sandhi, we call it. Okay, let it be there, because I have to take in the beginning. The entire sandhi we will take as we go further. Maybe next week I can start to some extent, and then we can go back to Anvayarachana also. So sandhi, if it is there, you will have to mention it here. Okay. So, but he has directly gone to Samanya Artham, Pratipada Artham you have to. So, this is the rule. How come it came here? So, these are the rules we know. This and all we have studied now already. Hare Babra, it has gone into something else. Just a second. Are you able to see now? Are you able to see the
Yes.
board? Okay, okay.
Yes.
This is the rule that sopanam, the steps are like this. Padanam pritak karotu. Pritak means separate it first. So if there is a sandhi, you have to, for example, yatyapi, if I say, you should be able to write yati plus api. And then you have to write this is yan sandhi, like that. So padanam pritak karotu. Then slokasya samanya arthaha likatu. Then pratyekasya padasya vivaranam. Vivaranam here artham plus any grammar speciality is there. For us, the other day last week you asked about namaha. What is namaha? Whereas it is namdhatu. It is not namdhatu. Namaha means it is a avyayam. Only Chaturthi Vibhakti Upapada Padam. Avyayam it is. Chaturthi Vibhakti when you, there are certain padam like namaha, swaha, that then vashat. There are certain words. When they come, the upapadam, the padam which comes along with it, it will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. In that, namaha is one avyayam. The last time somebody asked me this question. So the namaha. Like that is there is a grammar different. That is a namdhatu. There you will say namati, you will namati, namataha, namanti. Like that it will go. But namaha, which will come only with the Chaturthi Vibhakti, it is an avyayam, and you will be, the upapadam will be Chaturthi. So that grammar you have to write if namaha comes. Like that. Shlokanam samanya arthaha you can write. Pratyekasya padasya vivaranam likatu. Pratyekasya padasya artham also. Here presently they are allowing to write in Angla Bhasha also. As you go further, you can write, because you all know what is called a paryaya padam, equivalent, another word you know, so you can use that also. In Sanskrit also you can try, but right now you can do it in Angla Bhasha. That is all. Okay. Vibhakti, Kriya Padam, what are these things? So what are in Vakya Visleshana means the grammar portion. All those things you have to write it. Then Akanksha Padam, that is ask the question answer. Kriya Padam, Avijnanam. You should know what is a Kriya Padam. Then every Kriya Padam, how it is anvaying. That is Karakam means each word in a sentence, how it is related to the Kriya Padam. That's only the meaning of Karakam. So Ramaha Patam Patati, Ramaha Padati. Ramaha is related, Anvayam, related to Patati directly, so it is in the Prathama Vibhakti. Ramaha Kim Patati, Patam Patati. Patam Patati is related to the Kriyapadam in the position of this one, Karma Karakam. That is the work he is doing. So Karma Karakam. So that is known as Dudhiya Vibhakti. This last week we covered. Same thing you have to do here. Then we have to do the Anvayam. Anvayam is nothing but rewriting in the prose order. After asking the question in which order you are arriving at it, you rewrite it. That's all. Now, some problem is there today. It's not moving only. Okay. Can you tell the meaning, madam? Can you read it, Swapna ji?
Yes, yes. Deeds succeed only by efforts. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi, and not by desires.
Hmm.
Na suptasya simhasya, animals do not enter mukhe pravishanti, the
Okay.
mouth of a lion.
Somewhere it goes back. Okay. Padachedaha we have seen. Now can you tell Udyamena?
Udyamena.
What is it meaning? You don't know? By Prayatanam eva.
Udyamena vaya prayatnam.
Prayatanam. So Udyam means Udyamaha means Ud means itself going up. We say no Uddarani, we use it. Water you are taking up with. So Ud means always coming up. Udyamena by Prayatanam eva. He. Here he stands for that is
Indeed.
Indeed, correct. Indeed. Siddhyanti, as you told, this is the verb. Siddhyanti, it happens. Karyani. Karyani.
Effort.
Karyam, karye, karyani.
Karyam.
All the work.
Work.
All the work which you are trying to do, they happen only because of your prayatanam. Na manoratehi. Na will go with the na siddhyanti. I told you, no, always nakaram will go along with the. So, manoratehi karyani na siddhyanti. Okay. Udyamena hi
Desire.
karyani siddhyanti. This siddhyanti, if you want, you can put in bracket second time or you can rewrite it also. So, manorataihi karyani na siddhyanti. Now, next line, can you try like this? Pravishanti is the kriyapadam.
Pravishanti is the mrigaha pravishanti, right?
Question. You asked the question. Kriyapadam
you want.
pravishanti.
Okay, kriyapadam pravishanti. Ka
You know the answer. So, mrigaha. So, what should be the question?
mrigaha. Yeah, so ke pravishanti, mrigaha pravishanti. Kutra mrigaha pravishanti, mukhe mrigaha pravishanti.
Kasya.
Kasya mukhe mrigaha pravishanti. Simhasya mukhe mrigaha pravishanti. Kidrishasya.
Correct.
Kidrishasya.
Simhasya. Very good.
Simhasya mukhe mrigaha pravishanti. Suptasya simhasya mukhe mrigaha pravishanti. Right?
Mrigaha na pravishanti.
Say that again.
Na is there, no?
Na. So
na
okay.
pravishanti is the.
Suptasya simhasya
In the beginning
mrigaha
only, kriyapadam is equal to, you put na pravishanti.
na pravishanti. Okay.
Na pravishanti, mrigaha na pravishanti.
Okay.
Kutra ke mrigaha na pravishanti, mukhe na pravishanti. That is mrigaha mukhe na pravishanti. Then kasya simhasya mukhe mrigaha na pravishanti. Then kidrushasya simhasya mukhe mrigaha na pravishanti. Suptasya simhasya mukhe mrigaha na pravishanti. Now you can tell your bhavartham. In English, sometime back you read it, no? Same thing only.
Oh, okay.
Now we did the thing ourselves.
By effort, deeds succeed only by effort. Work gets okay. Deeds succeed only by efforts and not by desire alone. Animals do not enter the mouth of a sleeping lion.
That's all. Now Vyakara Amshaha. If there is anything, we have to see that now. Udyamena. Please read.
Akarant,
And Chitra,
Akarantah pu.
you will request Chitra to read it?
Okay, sure.
Yes.
उद्यमेन अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः उद्यमशब्दः तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं हि अव्ययं सिद्ध्यन्ति परस्मैपतिधातु लट् लकार प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं
Bhagavatam.
कार्याणि मकारान्त किं शब्दः मकारान्त किं कार्यशब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्ग प्रथमविभक्ति बहुवचनं न अव्ययं मनोरथैः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग मनोरथशब्दः तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं न अव्ययं सुप्तस्य अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग सुप्तशब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनं सिंहस्य अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग सिंहशब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनं मुखे अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग मुखशब्दः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं प्रविशन्ति परस्मैपदी धातु प्र उपसर्ग सहित विश् धातुः प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं मृगाः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग मृगशब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं बहुवचनं.
Okay. Now Artham our Swapnaji already told, but since it is there, we can quickly go through it.
उद्यमेन परिश्रमेण हि तु सिद्ध्यन्ति लभन्ते कार्याणि व्यवहाराः न नाट् न मनोरथैः इच्छाभिः by desires सुप्तस्य निद्रितस्य of sleeping सिंहस्य मृगेन्द्रस्य केसरस्य केसरिणः of the lion मुखे आस्ये वदने in the mouth प्रविशन्ति गच्छन्ति enter मृगाः जन्तवः.
Yeah. So same thing, Akanksha Padam, what we did, they are trying to do it.
क्रियापदं सिद्ध्यन्ति प्रविशन्ति प्रथमा विभक्तिः मृगाः कार्याणि तृतीया विभक्तिः उद्यमेन मनोरथैः षष्ठी विभक्तिः सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य सप्तमी विभक्तिः मुखे
He and na avyayani. Okay. Now the questions.
क्रियापदं सिद्ध्यन्ति कानि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि सिद्ध्यन्ति केन सिद्ध्यन्ति उद्यमेन सिद्ध्यन्ति कैः न सिद्ध्यन्ति मनोरथैः न सिद्ध्यन्ति.
1 minute. Because karyani is in the Napumsalinga Bhagavachanam, question also kani Napumsalinga Bhagavachanam. That you have to remember. Udyamena Tritiya Bhakti, ataha you are putting kena. Udyama, as you rightly told, it is Akaranta Pullinga Sabdam, so kena. Manorataihi, Taihi, Tritiya Bhakti, Pullinga Rupam, Bhagavachanam, so you have put Kaihi. So these things you have to continuously relate to each other, so it will be easy for you. Pravishanti, again Kriyapadam.
केन प्रविशन्ति मृगाः न प्रविशन्ति कुत्र न प्रविशन्ति मुखे न प्रविशन्ति कस्य मुखे न प्रविशन्ति सिंहस्य मुखे न प्रविशन्ति कीदृशस्य सिंहस्य मुखे न प्रविशन्ति सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य मुखे न प्रविशन्ति.
Rewriting Anvayam. You are now
कार्याणि उद्यमेन सिद्ध्यन्ति न मनोरथैः यथा मृगाः सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य मुखे स्वयमेव न प्रविशन्ति.
Here Yata and Swayam Eva is within the bracket. What is the name for it?
Adhyarava.
Adhyahara Rupam. That is, they are not there, but you are putting them to make the meaning more meaningful. So you want to make it more clear. You can put it, but since it is not part of the poem, you are introducing it. You are assuming it is there, but it is not told. Like that you are assuming, so you are putting in the bracket. This is very much allowed. So wherever you feel it, the clarity will be more, you can put it this way. You can
Things- Things get done by effort, not by desires. Desires alone. Just like animals don't enter a sleeping lion's mouth by themselves.
Even a lion has to put a lot of effort, even though he is king of the animals. Now, another poem, slowly one by one we'll do. Can Umaji, can you try?
वैद्यराज नमस्तुभ्यं यमराज सहोदरः यमराज सहोदर यमः तु हरति प्राणान् वैद्य प्राणान् धनानि च
Dhanani cha.
वैद्यराज नमस्तुभ्यं यमराज सहोदर
You first go by the steps, okay? What is the first step?
split the word. So Vaidya Raja Namastubhyam.
Vaidya Raja is
Namatubhyam.
king.
King of physician, doctor.
No. Vaidya Raja, it is a samasta padam. It is one padam now.
So
If-
Vaidya and Raja. Vaidyasya Raja.
Vaidyanam. That is okay. Vaidya means this one. Vaidyanam, you are Sashti Tatpurusha Samasa. But you don't know Samasa right now. So Samasa Padam, don't split in the beginning. Once the Samasa classes are over, you know all the different types of Samasa. Then you will have to, there also you should not split. You have to put a hyphen, Vaidya hyphen Raja. Because Samasa Padam, once it has made a Samasa, nobody can split it. Before that, you, for example, Vidyalayam, if you want to do it, Vidyayaha Alayam, you want to put it, you have to put a hyphen, Vidyalayam, you have to write it. Then Samastapadam, you have to write it. Then you have to write Satpurusha Samasaka, Sashti Tatva. That you don't know now, so let us not go into it. So don't split the Samastapadam now. So Vaidya Raja is one and one word for you.
Namaha Tubhyam becomes Namastubhyam. Yamaraja Sahodaraha. Yamaha Tu. Harati Pranan Vaidya Pranan Dhanani cha.
Correct. Now, first you have done the Pada Vivaham. Let us, I think we assume we know the Pratipada Artham also. By looking at it, many of you know. So, what is the Kriya Padam? Can you start going into it? The first line, any.
This is Asti, I think.
Is not. What?
Will it be Namati or?
Namaha is there, first one, no? Namaha is Tubhyam. Tubhyam is which Vibhakti? Asmad Yushmad Sabdasya Chaturthi
Chaturthi Vibhakti Namati.
Okay, not Namati, Tubhyam.
Tubhyam.
Tubhyam. So, Namaha is an avyayam. Just now, today morning, I mentioned. Namaha is an avyayam. It is a upapada vibhakti, we call it. Namaha, the word comes, that's a upapadam. The padam which comes along with it will be only in Chaturthi vibhakti. Ataha we say Tubhyam Namaha. Who is the Tubhyam? For you, I am praying. To you, I am praying. So, who is that Tubhyam here? Vaidya Raja.
Vaidya Raja.
Okay. Namaha Tubhyam. And then, that Vaidya Raja, it is Sambodhana Pratama, it is there, it looks like Yamaraja Sahodaraha. So, the Vaidya Raja is, who is that Vaidya Raja? He is the
brother of Yamaraj.
Yamaraja Sahodaraha Vaidya Raja. That is how you have to bring it. Because this is Yamaraja Sahodaraha is a Visheshanam. Vaidya Raja is not just a Vaidya Raja. Something is describing him. So it is a Visheshanam. Vaidya Raja is a Visheshyam. So Yamaraja Sahodaraha, He Vaidya Raja, Tubhyam Namaha, I bow before you. Okay? Asti, if you want to put it, because Namaha, it ends with that. But if you want, it is an avyayam. It is not, as you told, it is not a kriya padam. Tubhyam Namaha. Next line.
Yeah.
Just we will arrive at our own pace. Then anyway, I am going to show you. That is, it will make things clear. Next line, what is the kriya padam there?
The second sentence, it is Harati.
Harati in the first pada. Okay.
Second also, it is Harati only.
Harati, yeah.
Vaidya Pranan Harati. Vaidya Pranan Dhanani.
Yamaha Pranan harati. Harati means killing, na?
Ah.
Then Vaidya pranan.
Dhanani cha harati. So the physician, brother of Yamaraj, I bow to you. Yamaraj takes away lives, but the physician takes away life and wealth.
Dhanani cha. Okay. This is too bad, na? We'll go through what is given here. Can you read it, the English version?
O Vaidya, doctor, brother of Yama, I bow down to you. Yama only steals away one's life, but the Vaidya steals one's life as well as money.
Money. Okay. So, now you put the question Akanksha. Can you try that? Akanksha Paddhati. First you told Namaha Asti. You wanted Namaha Avyayam. There should be a verb. You can put Asti. So what is, this is in the Pratama Vibhakti, nahi? This is in the Sambodhana Pratama. Okay. So you can start with Akanksha Paddhati, madam. That's steps Sopanam. Can you try? Kriya Padam, you put it. Okay. Kaha, Namaha. Kaha, it will not come because Namaha has come. Kasmai Namaha, Tubhyam Namaha. Okay. So, in the Pratama, Sambodhana Pratama, He Yamaraja Sahodaraha, Vaidya Rajaha, Tubhyam Namaha. That's one question answer. Second line, can you put the Akanksha? Harati is the Harati is the Kriya Padam.
Kan harati, Yamaha, kan harati.
Why Kan?
Pranan.
Acha, you are going into that second one. I thought Yamaha Harati, so you will come by that. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that you try to go. Okay. What is the Pratama Vibhakti in the second line? Harati.
Yamaha. And Vaidya.
Harati, Yamaha Harati. Okay. First let us go by that. Second we will go to Vaidya. Okay. Yamaha Harati. Then.
Yamaha Kan harati, Yamaha Pranan harati. Vaidya.
Again Harati.
Okay. Harati.
Again.
Vaidya Kan harati, Vaidya Pranan, Dhanani cha harati.
Only one answer in the Akanksha. Only Akanksha, you have to put only one answer. Again, Kidrusham, so many Visheshanams are there, we have to put Punaha Kidrusham, like
Punaha
that.
Kan, Punaha Vaidya Kan harati, Punaha Vaidya Dhanani harati.
Dhanani cha harati. Okay.
Kani harat. Kani.
Kani harati.
Dhanani, so Kani.
Kani harati.
So this grammar portion, kindly go, okay, she is not there. Sir, can you read out the grammar portion, sir? Hello, sir. Vaidya Raja. Are you able to see?
Yeah, I can see. Vaidyaraja. Akarantaha pullingaha Vaidyaraja shabdaha. Sambodhan pratama ekvachana.
Yeah. Second one, Namaha.
Namaha sakarantaha napumsakalingaha namas shabdaha pratama vibhakti ekvachanam.
But I have read it. Yesterday I went through this Namaha. When it comes with the Chaturthi Vibhakti, Namaha is an Avyayam. This I will ask our whoever has prepared the WhatsApp, this one I will ask them. I have not seen this now Nam Sabdam, otherwise Namati, Namataha, Namanti, it will go like that. But Namas Aisabi, Napumsalinga Sabdam be Asti. But when it comes with the Tubhyam Namaha, it is always Namaha, Swati, Swada, Vashat. These are all Avyayas which come along with the Chaturthi Vibhakti. This is what I have learned. I will put it in your WhatsApp group, that Sutra Padam. Then I will ask them why Namaha they have put. In both ways, whether it comes, we can find out. Okay. Just note down about Namaha Sabdam. Namaha, when it comes along with the Chaturthi Vibhakti, I take it as a this one, the Avyaya Padam. Here it is given Sakaranta Napumsa, Namas Sabdam. Namas means Namaha, like Manas Sabdam. Manaha, Manasi, Manamsi. Like that, Namasi, Namamsi. That is one Sabdam is there. But when it comes with the Chaturthi Vibhakti, it is treated as Avyayam. This is what I have learnt. This we will find out in both the ways whether we can write it. Okay, Tubhyam.
तुभ्यं दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गः युष्मद् शब्दः चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचन
Is it right? Tubhyam, is it Pullinga Sabdam?
तुभ्यं
You all read, no? Asmat Sabdam, Yushmat Sabdam, you know it, na? How do you say the Yushmat Sabdam or Asmat Sabdam? Trilingeshu. All the three lingam, it is same only, na? Whether I say or whether you say, it is only a Tubhyam only, na? So when you talk about Asmat Sabdam, how do you start it? Asmat Sabdam, we start it as Trilingeshu. We never say Pullingam. Dakaranta, Trilinga Shabdaha, Asmad Shabdaha, Aham, Mam, Maya, Mahyam, Matu, Mama, Mayi. Same way, Dakaranta, Trilinga, not Strilinga, three, all the three lingam. 1, 2, 3. Trilinga Shabda, Yushmad. But here they have given Pullinga Shabdam. I think this some correction is there. I think so. I will ask the person who has prepared it. So you can put a Dakaranta, Trilinga, Yushmat Sabdam. You correct it and remember that way. Is it okay?
अस्तु महोदय
Next.
यमराज सहोदर अकारान्तः त्रिलिङ्गकः now here is written correctly त्रिलिङ्गकः यमराज सहोदर शब्दः संबोधन प्रथमा एकवचन
Here why they put Trilinga, I don't know. It is something Akaranta Pullinga Sabdam. No, Sahodara is a Pullinga Sabdam. Sahodari is a Strilinga Sabdam. Okay? So here it is Pullinga Sabdam only. Akaranta Pullinga Yamaraja Sahodara Akaram Ramaha Sabdam. But it is Sambodhana Pratama. That's all. Ekavachanam. Yamaha.
यमः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः यम शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्
This is we know. Rama Sabdam, Yama Sabdam. Okay. Tu is Avyayam. This is used just to fill up the poem or to give a certainly like that, to give a emphasis also we use the tu.
वैद्यराज
Harati.
ह धातुः
Ihru.
ओके
And within the stomach of her is there. Hru.
अस्तु अस्तु महोदय ऋ धातुः उभयपदी अत्र परस्मैपदी उभयपदी मीन्स बोथ परस्मैपदी and आत्मनेपदी लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं प्रथमपुरुषः
Hri Dhatu is Ubhayapati. Ubhayapati means you know what is the meaning? Both Harati also will come, Harate also will come. Because Atmanepati and Parasmepati, both you can apply to that. In this case, they have Harati, Tikaram, Ting Pratyayam. Of Parasmepati, they have applied. So, it is in this particular case, it is Parasmepati, Latlakara Pratama Purusha. Okay. Pranan.
प्राणान् अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः प्राणः पुल्लिङ्गः प्राणशब्दः द्वितीयवचनं द्वितीयविभक्ति बहुवचनं प्राणान्
Raman. We are telling no Rama Sabdatala Raman. Same way. Next, Vaidyaha.
वैद्यः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः वैद्यशब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं
See, Pranan already you have seen it. Next.
धनानि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः धनं नपुंसकलिङ्गः धन् शब्दः द्वितीयविभक्ति बहुवचनं
Dhanani will be there in the Pratama Bhakti Bhagavachanam and the Dudya Bhakti Bhagavacanam. Because Napusalingam, same thing will repeat. But here it is Dudya Bhakti. Prananapi he will take it, no? So the Dhanani, not only Pranan he will take it, the Vaidyaha, we will take only Dhanani, Dhanam, Dhane, Dhanani. So here it is in the Dvitya. Here only the trick comes. You should know Dhanani, to looking at it, it could be in Prathama Vibhakti. But here it is not in that Artha. The Artham here is Dvitya Vibhakti. So you have to correctly write it.
Cha is away.
Vaidyarajaha.
Should I read this also? It's a translation.
Chikitsaha means Chikitsalayah, we learn, no? Our hospital is Chikitsalayah. Same way, Chikitsaha is a doctor. Namaskara, Namaha, salutation. Tubhyam. So it is, you know, Yushmat Sabdam, Tubhyam means for you.
Yamaraja Sahodara. Yamasya Bhrataha.
Brataha Sabdam, what is the Pratama? What is the Pratipadikam? Brataha Sabdasya Pratipadikam.
Bhrataha.
Chitra?
Tra is it? No.
Pita, what is the Pratipadikam?
Putru, Bhratru.
So Brata?
Bhrata is Bhratru.
Ratru. These are all Rikaranta Sabdam. Okay, yeah. Data, for Brahma we call it Data. Data is Datru Sabdam. So these things we will be knowing. Here Brataha is 6th Vibhakti, Yamasya Brataha. Yama. He is the brother of Yama.
Yamaha, Dharmarajaha, Kalaha.
Madam told no, indeed. Harati, Samharati, takes away, kills. Some Upasarga Puram they have written. Harati itself means killing only.
Vaidyaha, Chikitsaka, Dhanani, Dravyani, Vittani.
Vittani. Have you heard what is the name for a bank?
Vitta Kosha.
Vitta Koshaha. Vitta Koshaha is bank. So Vittam means money. Cha means api and. Cha is a avyayam used for and. Again it is coming. Harati. These are all in the Prathama Vibhakti. They are rewriting what are all in the Prathama Vibhakti, what are all in the Pranan, Dhanani, what are all in the Dvitiya Vibhakti. And Tubhyam is in the Tritiya Vibhakti mein kuch hai kiya? Nothing is there. Sambodhana Prathama, Avyayani. They have omitted Namaha here also in Avyayam. So now the Akanksha Prathama, they are starting now only. Can you quickly read it, sir?
Yeah. Kriyapadam. Hey Yamaraja Sahodara Vaidyaraja. Kriyapadam asti. Kim asti? Namaha asti. Kasmai namaha asti? Tubhyam namaha. Kriyapadam harati. Kaha harati? Yamaha harati. Yamaha kan harati? Yamaha pranan harati. Punaha Yamaha kan harati?
No, Punaha Kaha Harati.
Punaha Vaidyaha harati. Punaha Vaidyaha ka harati.
No, there is no Punaha for Kan because it's coming only first time. Vaidyaha Kan Harati, Pranan Harati. Now comes the Punaha Vaidyaha Kani Harati, Dhanani. So they have rewritten using the Anvayam.
Yamaraja Sahodara Vaidyaraja Namaha Tubhyam. Yamaha tu Kevalam Pranan Harati. Parantu Vaidyaha Pranan Dhanani cha Harati.
This type of slokam we call it as a Chatu Slokam. You have it in this book, Chatu Slokam. Meaning, what do you call, in a joking way telling something. See, we never say Pranan Harati, no idea. Prananabi Dhanamabi Harati, like that they are putting. So this is a way they make criticize the job of your Vaidya in a very funny, friendly manner. And Anvay Arthaha. Read, sir.
Hey Yamasya Bhrataha Chikitsaka te namaskaraha. Dharmarajaha tu samharati jivan. Parantu Chikitsakaha tu jivan dravyani api Apaharati.
Apaharati.
Hey Vadraja, the brother of Yama, salutations to you. Whereas Yama only takes the lives, you take both life and the wealth.
So in the first line, there is no Namaha to Yamaraja. It is only to Vaidya Raja we are giving the Namaha. Okay.
Awesome. Correct.
Now next
Asha.
poem, somebody else let them do. Who would like to do? Umaji, would you like to do? Have you done it already? Though okay. Otherwise, you can do it.
आशाया ये दासास्ते दासा सर्वलोकस्य आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासायते लोकः.
First step,
आशाया
Pada
padam.
Vibhajanam. Padachedam also you can call it. Prithakkaram. Okay. Each one you have to separate it. You repeat it so that you will remember. When Anvayam comes, first step is this, second step is this, like that. So, Prathakkaraniyam. So, Asaya. Start.
दासास्ते दासा सर्व
Now remember, write down, whenever between two lines is comes, it is a Visarga Sandhi is there. Is stands for Visargam. So Ramas Sabdam only. When you learn the grammatical portion of how the Vibhaktis are arrived at, the Sabdam will be Rama Sabdam will be Ramas. Sup Pratyayam you would have learnt it. Sup starts with the Sakaram and ends with the Pakaram. Sup Pratyayam we are adding for all the Subantas. So Ramas Sabdam we call it. So when the is stands for Visargam. How it came and all, when you learn about Visarga Sandhi only you will come to know. This year you have only that is Acha Sandhi, the Swara Sandhi only you have got it. So that we will learn. So whenever is there, you write down it is equal to Visargam. For the time being, you keep it. Because Visarga Sandhi you have not learned. Now split it. Dasaha Sarvalokasya. So Ashaya is one word. A. Dasaste. Dasaha plus te. Dasaha. In the place of is again Visargam. Then Sarva Lokasya. Now second line you go.
आशा येषां दासी
Mm.
तेषां दासायते लोकः.
Can you look at the first line? Ashayaha. There again one more thing you have to note down. There are Visargam which will be missing in the poem. Ashayaha, you know, Asha is a Strilingam. Ashayaha is the sixth vibhakti. You know, no? Sita Yaha, Rama Yaha only will come. But here Visargam is missing. So when they write, I told you, there is a meter, chandas, all those problems. And this is Visargasya Lopam is one Visarga Sandhi. So it is allowed. So whenever there is a Akaram and after that some words are coming, Visarga Lopam Bhavati. So that you have not know, but write down Asha Yaha is there in that place. There is a Visargam is there. So Asha Yaha plus A, like that you have to write it.
So kriya is dasaste.
No, Dasaha te. There is no Kriya there. Dasaha. I am the Dasa. Ashayaha Dasaha te. Te, those people who are Dasaha, who are the servants. Dasa, Dasi means servant. You know, no? Dasaha, Dasi means servant. So, ye, those people, Dasaha, who are the servants of Asha. Asha means Ashayaha. Asha means desire. Those who are the servants of the desire. Next, Dasaha. Again, they are the servants. Sarvalokasya. They will become servants of the entire world. Those people who are Dasaha of Asha. Ashayaha Dasa. Who are all the servants of desire. They will be the servants of the entire world. Because they have so much asha, they will keep on begging, keep on doing everything to others, so they will get your desires fulfilled. So here directly there is no verb is there. Sarva lokasya is a sixth vibhakti, it is not a verb. Asha is not a verb. It is a Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam Strilinga Rupam. Dasaha, it is also Pratama Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Te, you know, Saha Tau Te. So Asha Yaha, Asha Sabdasya, sixth Bhakti Ekavachanam. This is how it is. There is nothing is there about Kriya Padam. We have to arrive at it. Now, if you want, how will you put the Kriya Padam? You have to use only asti or bhavati. This is the rule. If Kriya Padam is missing and it is there, you know, it is in the, what I told you, it is in the hidden form. Like, in that Rupam it is available. Within bracket, you put asti. So, in the first line, you take asti as the Kriya Padam. I can show you, but let us arrive at it, then we can quickly go through what is there in the this one.
Dasaste will not be to serve.
Dasaha te. Visargam is dasaste means it is not a single word. It is two words. Dasaha plus te. Te dasaha. Te means those people. Ye te. Ye means those people. Te, they will be dasaha. They will be servants. Who ashayaha dasaha. Who are all the servants of us. That ase means what called desire. Who are all the servants of desire, they, then what they will be? Dasaha, again in the place of visargam, there is a visargam, sakarasya visargam is there. So they will be dasaha of what? Lokasya, sarva lokasya dasaha. So, ye आशायाः दासाः ते सर्वस्य लोकस्य दासाः. Here all bahuvachanam. So you can't put asti. So you will put santi. Asti innuடைய bahuvachanam santi. Because it is all te, ye, it is all in bahuvachanam. So you have to put the verb in the bahuvachanam. Verb is missing. When verb is missing, you are allowed to put asti or bhavati. And there dvivachanam, bahuvachanam, whatever you want, you can put it. Here it will be only bahuvachanam because ye and te are bahuvachanam. So here te is in the pratama vibhakti bahuvachanam. Ye is also pratama vibhakti bahuvachanam. So you are assuming there is a verb adhyahara rupe, within bracket you put santi. Now verb is santi. You write down verb is santi. Now ask the questions. What is the first question? Santi is a bahuvachanam. So what will be the question? Kaha, kau, kela, what you will put it? K only you will put it. Because you are going to use that Kim Shabda Rupam for all the questions. Akanksha Paddhati means you have to put the questions. Questions will be picked up only from the Kim Shabdam. So kaha ke, kaha kau ke is there. K is the bahuvachanam. So santi you have put it. Ke santi. Te santi. Te is there, no? So ke santi, te santi. They are there. Okay. Then what is the next question? Te, whether any Visheshanam is there for te? Anybody can answer now.
दासाः
Dasa.
कीदृशः ते
Because dasaha
दासाः
is the, te is described by dasaha. What type of te? They are dasaha. They are the servants. So kidrushaha or kidrusha? Kidrushaha.
कीदृशः
Because Bhagavatanam we have to use. Kidrushaha te dasaha te. They are all the servants. Now comes the next question. They are the dasa of Asha. Asha yaha is there. Which vibhakti Asha yaha?
षष्ठी एकवचनं
षष्ठी
So
विभक्ति
what should be
एकवचनं
the, and Asha is a Strilinga Rupa.
कस्याः दासाः
Kasyaha.
कस्या
Kasyaha dasaha te. Because you have put a te, Visheshanam is kasya, the dasaha. Kasyaha ashayaha dasaha te. Then what is the next question?
कस्य no कस्य
Hmm.
लोकस्य ओके कस्य 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 आशायाः दासाः ते सन्ति. Is that right? सर्वलोकस्य.
Oh, they have not bothered to give this. You have to do it yourselves only. What is that? Anuvadam kurtaha. Oh, they have gone to the next one. Okay. Now we have to only do it on our own. Huh? Okay.
So would that work?
We will finish it now because I thought they
Hmm.
have given it. So okay, I went back. One by one, we have to do it. Just a minute, I will. Vidyamana we have covered. Okay. So here. Okay. So A. So for A, te ते आशायाः दासाः अस्ति ये आशायाः दासाः अस्ति ते किमस्ति ते दासाः अस्ति दासाः मीन्स् कान् अस्ति दासाः अस्ति कस्य दासाः अस्ति सर्वलोकस्य दासाः अस्ति दट् इस् द फस्ट् लैन् नौ सेकेण्ड्
How did you do? एक निमिषम. How did you do te and ke ye?
फस्ट् ए ओके ए आल्सो यु हव् टु पुट् ए क्वश्चन् सो के अस्ति ए अस्ति ओके ये कीदृशाः ये दासाः ये कम दट् इस् आशायाः अस्ति दट् वाट् यु पुट् आशायाः दट् कस्याः दासाः ये अस्ति आशायाः दासाः ये अस्ति ओके अगेन दासा किमस्ति दासाः अस्ति कं दासाः अस्ति सारी
कस्य दासाः
ते
अस्ति
अस्ति ते अस्ति के कीदृशः ते दासाः ते अस्ति कस्य दासाः अस्ति लोकस्य दासाः अस्ति
कीदृशस्य लोकस्य दासः अस्ति सर्वलोकस्य दासः अस्ति भगिनी ते शब्दस्य कृते प्रश्नः किं भवति भगिनी
के ओन्ली फॉर ते प्रश्नः इस् के ओन्ली के आल्सो के ओन्ली ओके
आम् आम्
देन् कीदृशगल दासा विल् कम् and then kasyagal ashayaga will come kasyala sarvalokasya will come okay second line can somebody try Chitra can you type asha
अस्ति अद्य अस्ति
read the second line first
आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासयते लोकः दासयते क्रियापदमस्ति दासयते दासयते आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासयते लोकः केषां दासयते तेषां दासयते
first rewrite when you do it asha yesham dasi okay yesham dasi asha asti chet tesham for them to them lokah dasayate lokah they become their servants entire loka will be the servant of those people tesham when yesham dasi asha asti this is the meaning second line ka general meaning is that okay so yesham Asha is Dasi. Okay, Asha becomes the Dasi of those people. Yesham, for them, Tesham, Lokaha, Dasayate. Okay, Dasaha Asti. That is what Dasayate here it is shown. Now can you
आशा आशा अर्थं किम् आशा
Asha means it is
केषां दासी भवति सर्वलोकः तस्य सम्पूर्णविश्वः तस्य दासः भवति
that you are telling the Artham, but can you put the Akanksha Rupam? Yesham, Tesham. So use the
केषां
Dasa.
केश
First Kriya Padam Dasayate you told.
दासायते केषां दासायते तेषां येषां दासायते वा
First Tesham Dasayate. That becomes the Dasa of those people. Tesham. Okay. Then again Yesham is there. Before going into Yesham again into question box, you have to put out Kasya Dasayate, Lokasya Dasayate. Okay, Lokaha. Lokaha, sorry, Kasya illa, Lokaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
कः
Lokaha Dasayate.
दासायते
Lokaha
लोकः
Dasayate.
दासायते
Yesham
केषां दासायते
Dasayate. Tesham Dasayate.
केषां दासायते
Okay.
का दासायते आशा दासायते वा
Asha. Asha is Dasi. Okay. So here you have to go back to the again question form. Dasi here Asti. Okay. Now second Kriya Padam Asti in the Adyahara Rupam. Okay.
का अस्ति दासी अस्ति
Asha Asti. Asha Asti. Kidrusha.
दासी अस्ति नास्ति वा का अस्ति दासी अस्ति
Dasi, I think Ashayaha Visheshanam. Correct. Asha here it becomes a Dasi. Correct.
का अस्ति दासी अस्ति
And then Kesham Dasi, Yesham Dasi.
कीदृशी दासी अस्ति आशा दासी अस्ति ऐसा न जानामि भगिनी अहम्
Okay. What I am trying to tell you is, when you put the question, you put it this way, two things you put. One is, Kesham Dasti Asha Asti. That is one Asti is there. Then, Lokaha Tesham Dasayate. Lokaha, those people, Tesham. Who that Tesham? Yesham Dasi Asha Asti. Tesham Lokaha Dasayate. This is the Anvayam. Okay. Asti is there in the first in the Adyahara Rupa. Second, Dasayate is there. This way you split it up. This will be, I think so, it will be easy. Can you repeat it, madam? Yesham Asha Dasi Asti. Okay. Tesham Avargale Lokaha Dasayate. To those people, this world will become the servant. Okay. You take it as a homework and send me. If there is any, all the steps. If there is any problem, again we will discuss it next week also. Okay. So, Asha Yaha Ye Dasaha Te
दासाः सर्वलोकस्य आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासायते लोकः
Tesham, you can put Lokaha in the beginning, or in the beginning, Lokaha Tesham Dasayate. Yesham Dasi Asha Asti Lokaha Tesham Dasayate. That is how we have to finish the second line. Okay. Now they have gone to Sarva Nama Sabdama, Visheshna Vishesha Sabda Rupam. The Sarva Sabda you have to learn it. You know Sarva Nama Sabdam you are learning for some time. Have you learnt the Sarva Sabda also? I don't know. Can somebody read it? Sarva Sabda Rupam.
सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे हे सर्व हे सर्वौ हे सर्वे सर्वं सर्वौ सर्वान् सर्वेण सर्वाभ्यां सर्वैः सर्वस्मै सर्वाभ्यां सर्वेभ्यः सर्वस्मात् सर्वस्माद् सर्वाभ्यां सर्वेभ्यः सर्वस्य सर्वयोः सर्वेषां सर्वस्मिन् सर्वयोः सर्वेषु
So this is all about Sarva Sabdam. Can somebody tell the Strilinga Rupam of Sarva Sabdam? I have put the Pullinga Rupam here. Strilinga Rupam. Umaji, can you try? Hello, can you try, madam? Uma, madam?
Sarva, sarve, sarvaha. He sarve, he sarve, he sarvaha. Sarvam, sarve, sarvaha. Then sarvam, Dvitiya. Sarvam, sarve.
No, Sita Sabdam, no, Sarva, Sarvaya.
No, I'm doing Dvitiya, na?
Dvitiya, you have done? No, no, okay.
No, sarvam, sarve, sarvaha.
Tritiya.
Dvitiya is sarvaya, sarvabhyam, sarvabhihi, sarvas. Will it be saha sarvaya, sarvabhyam, sarvibhya?
You are in the Panchami Vibhakti?
Chaturthi, sarvayahi.
Sarvaihi.
सर्वस्यै
Sorry, Saturthi Sarvayai.
सर्वस्यै भगिनी
Sarvasyai, Sarvasyai, not Sarvai. This is the typo here.
Sarvasyai, sarvabhyam, sarvabhyah, sarvasyaha, sarvabhyam, sarvabhi, shashti.
Sarvabhyah.
Sarvasyaha, sarvayoho.
एक मिनट. Panchami is Sarvasyaha, Sarvabhyam, Sarvabhyah.
Sorry, which one?
Panchami Vibhakti.
Panchami will be sarvasyaha.
Sarvabhyam. And Sarvabhyah.
Oh, here they have.
Sarvabhyah. Sarvasyaha, sarvayoho, sarvasam. Sarvasyam, sarvayoho, sarvasu.
The whole thing is wrong.
Yes, everything is wrong.
They are given wrongly. So I will repeat once more. Okay. Sarva, sarve, sarvah. He sarve, he sarve, he sarvah. Sarvam, sarve, sarvah. Sarvaya, sarvabhyam, sarvabhi. Sarvasyai, sarvabhyam, sarvabhyah. Sarvasyah, sarvabhyam, sarvabhyah. Sarvasyah, sarvayoh, sarvasam. Sarvasyam, sarvayoh, sarvasu. I have to write to them to correct this. I was not knowing this can be wrong also. Okay. Second, Napunsaliga Sabdam. Madam, somebody read. Chitra or sir, can you read it? Sarvam Sabdam.
Sarvam, sarve, sarvani. He sarva, he sarve, he sarvani. Sarvam, sarve, sarvani. Sarvena, sarvabhyam, sarvahi. Sarvasmai, sarvabhyam, sarvebhyah. Sarvasmat, sarvabhyam, sarvebhyah. Sarvasya, sarvayoho, sarvesham. Sarvasmin, sarvayoho, sarveshu.
The best thing is after 3 it is exactly like the Pullinga Rupam. Okay. Anuvadam Kurtaha. Anuvadam means you all know translation. Okay. Now just now Anvayam we have done. Anvayam means rewriting in the prose order. Just now we finished. Now next topic is some few translations they are asking us to do. So we can try this. Keep all the pencils in the box. Can try? Somebody try it. Or take it as a homework also. You can write down. If it is there in the book, do you have it in the book? Keep all the pencils. I don't have it in the book.
Will it be?
Okay, try 1 or 2 sentences which we know. Keep all the pencils in the box. Pencils.
Lekhanyaha.
Lekhanyaha. Okay. Box.
In the box. Petikayam.
Petikayam. Keep.
Is it
स्थापयतु
Stapayatu. Keep, if you, the word keep all the pencils in the box, looking at it, you know it looks like a lot lakaram, correct? You keep all the pencils in the box, like that it looks at it. So lot lakaram, you can put it. Stapayatu is the Prathama Bhakti for that. Stapayatu, Stapayatam, Stapayantu. So we take it as a single, you can, or you can use Stapayantu also, you can use it. So can you try a full now, join them together? Lekanyam, Lekanyam, pencils.
भवान् लेख पेन्सिल्स् भवान् लेखनीः पेटिकायां स्थापयतु
Correct.
लेखनी मतलब
Lekani,
लेखनी
Bahuvachanam,
बहुवचनं
Vidya Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam of Lekani Sabdam.
नदी शब्द होते
Those pencils, na, avegalai, you have to put in the Dvidya Vibhakti, no? What is the problem, madam? Swapna ji?
नहीं ठीक है
Okay. Somebody try the second one.
And for all, what will we use? Sarvaha.
Sarve, Sarvaha also.
सर्वाः
Sarvaha here. Sarve is singular, so Sarvaha. Good.
everyone's heart is with the Sita who is in
Sita.
Ashokavanam
Hmm.
सर्वेषां हृदयानि सीतायाः सह अस्ति या अशोकवने अस्ति
Ashokavane.
सर्वेषां हृदयानि सीतायाः सह अस्ति या
Saha,
अशोकवने
if you use it could be only Tritiya Vibhakti. You can't put Yaha. Saha, Saham, Sardam, you have learned it.
सर्वेषां हृदयानि सीतया सह अस्ति या अशोकवने अस्ति वा
Ashokavane, Sthite, Sitaya Saha, Sarvesham,
हृदयानि
Yani,
सन्ति
This also you can try. When I used Ashokavane Sthite, that is a particular type of grammar that is known as Sati Saptami. When Sita was there in the Ashokavana, this happened. Everybody's heart is with her, like that. You can use both the words in the 7th Vibhakti. So when that happened, this also happened. So, see, anyway, Sati Saptamila, you are using only 7th Vibhakti. So, Ashokavane Sitaha Stita, correct? You are telling she is there. So, Ashokavane Stita Sabda today, 7th Vibhakti you are putting. Sitaya Saha, because she wanted to use the word Saha, so you put Sitaya Saha. Everyone's heart, Sarvesham Hridayani, Bahuvachanam Santi. Next, somebody try, madam. Umaji, she has read all
She has
the
read all the books of the library. Sa ग्रन्थालयस्मिन् सर्वाणि पुस्तकानि पठितवती
लयस्मिन् ऐसा कुछ अस्ति वा?
ग्रन्थालयस्य
ग्रन्थालये
No, she is telling something. Wait, let her finish it. She wants to use asmin, tasmin. So, in the library, you are telling, in the library, it has to have 7th Vibhakti only. Granthalaye. Single
Granthalaye, sorry.
so Granthalaye. The asmin cannot combine with the Granthalaye, no? Because Granthalaye has the 7th Vibhakti by itself, Rame. So, Granthalaye.
सर्वाणि पुस्तकानि पठितवती
Paditavati, you are using which grammar? Kridanta Saptam you have used. Langlakaram can you use? She has read. What is the Langlakaram of Apatat? See, there is no Paditavati shows Linga Bedam because it is a Kridantam. But when you say Apatat, there is no Linga Bedam. Sita, Rama, whatever it is, you will use only. So, Lakara Rupe, there is no Linga Bedam. But since you know the Kridanta Rupam, it is easy to use. So, Paditavati is also very good. Next, madam, all is well.
सर्वं कुशलम्
Very good. Sarvam Kushalam, all is well. Santi also, Santi is missing there. If you want, you can put it also. Because there should be a verb means you better add Asti or Santi. Okay, pass all your exams. It is in the lot lakara rupam. Exams, pariksha. Singular is pariksha.
भवत्याः सर्वाः परीक्षाः सफलाः भवन्तु।
उत्तीर्णतु पास के उत्तीर्णं न
भवत्याः भवति सर्वा
You want to take as a strilingam bhavan bhavati. Okay.
त्वम् अपि अस्ति त्वं
If you use tvam, use the madhyama purusha verb. Okay. Lot lakara madhyama purusha, what it will be?
त्वं
madhyama purusha lot lakara rupam pata kuru gacha, like that. Now you are using the tvam sabdam madhyama
उत्तीर्णं भव
uttirnam bhava. Kuru also you can tell, no? You have to pass. Kuru. So tvam, all your exams, sarvaha parikshaha uttirnam kuru. Singular tvam means kuru. If it is all, you all, I mean, I make plural.
all your exams.
Your exams, okay. You all pass all your exams. You used you.
त्वं सर्वस्यां परीक्षायां उत्तीर्णं
Kurutam is Dudya. Kuru is singular.
अगर त्वम आएगा तो कुरु आएगा, नहीं तो
that is what I told you. If it comes, what you are going to put? So kuru, kurutam, kuruta. Try to remember the lot lakara rupam. Can you tell Chitra lot lakara rupam of some?
करोतु कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु, कुरु कुरुतं कुरुत, करवाणि करवावः करवामः. सम्यक् वा?
Will come, karavavaha will come.
कुर्वः कुर्मः न भवति.
No, so karavava karamama. Okay. Next, anything is there? The teacher is calling the names of all selected students. Teacher, you can use guru, ilana atyapakaha or atyapika, whatever you want to use. Names, you know.
नामानि.
Selected students. Students, you know, chatraha. Then selected students. Okay.
निर्वाचिताः छात्राः. निर्वाचितान् छात्रान्.
Complete the sentence. The teacher is calling.
अध्यापकः निर्वाचितान् छात्राणां नामानि आह्वयति.
Okay. So
what is Chatran?
Chatran.
Okay.
Correct. What do you say? That nirvahita, any other paryaya padam is there? That
भगिनी षष्ठी विभक्ति भवति खलु तत्र.
क्यों?
छात्रों का
students only, no? Selected students. She called them. So second, Dudya Bhakti Bhagavachanam only.
आह्वयति.
Ahvayati is the verb. The teacher ahvayati, that is over. Whom she is calling? The students. So Chatran, Dudya Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Chatran ahvayati. What type of Chatran? Selected, you are telling. So selected is nothing but the Visheshanam of the Chatra. Okay. There are a lot of words for selected people, chosen people, Varaniya, Varaitavya, Upade, so many things are there. But what you should is not there. Oh, okay, Rinvapya, correct, madam. selected, the Paryaya Padam selected, sorry, the Sanskrit word for selected is Nirvapya. So,
इलेक्शन मध्ये निर्वाचन भवति खलु, निर्वाचने
correct.
समये नेतारः भाषणं कुर्वन्ति.
Exactly. So, Nirvapya is the word for selection. So, students you are using Chatran. So, the teacher called the Chatran. Adhyapakah Chatran Ahvayati. Names Namani. Selected Nirvapya. Nirvapyan Chatran Namani Adhyapakah Ahvayati. This is how we will finish it. At this point, I will stop it for the time being. We will plan the next week. Next Saturday, I think madam has come back. That one, Surya madam was taking the classes for you, no? Am I right? Are you able to hear me?
आं भगिनि.
Okay. So she will be coming next week. I think she was, I will stop the. So she was taking the class. She will continue your class next week. After that, I will continue. So I will be continuing with the next slide as it is for me. After Anvayam, we will stop at this point. We will not go further. Any more?
भगिनि,
Tell me.
संशयः अस्ति. The teacher is calling the names of all the selected students. षष्ठी विभक्ति भवति खलु.
Why, madam? Where is the षष्ठी विभक्ति?
छात्राः सर्वेषां निर्वाचितानां छात्राणां नामानि आह्वयन्ति.
Okay, Chatrani Namani, you are want to put. I am trying. Chatranam, avarulude peyargalai. Yes, you can put षष्ठी विभक्ति.
अध्यापिका सर्वेषां
Chatranam Namani, because you want to put a Namani that side. Okay. Correct. So the Chatranam Namani, the name of the students, she is calling out. It is correct. Shashti Vibhakti also correct. If the Namani is not there, Chatran Ahvayati will do. Since Namani comes, Kasya Namani, no, that Chatra Namani, so you are putting that. Okay, madam, correct it is. Okay. Now next week I will start to some extent Sandhi if madam is not taking. If madam is taking, she will be continuing Visheshana Visheshyam. That I will talk to her and we will convey to you every week. That is no problem. Regarding homework, I have the homework with me. I have not yet put anything there because I have no idea how to go about in this classroom, how to put it. That I don't have any idea. So she is not in her place. When she comes out, she is an experienced teacher in this software and other things. She will tell me accordingly. I will put the homework. Once I put the homework, the week where we have put the homework, that week we will go through the homework. Whether you understood any mistakes, that we will do. Then continue the next class. With that, we will end today's class. Can you please tell the Antima Sloham? Chitra?
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
धन्यवादः.
ओम
शान्ति
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
पुनर्मिलामः. शुभदिनम्.
Okay.